guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a haul video. It has been a very long time since I have done a haul on my channel, but I definitely want to get back into doing them because I know that I get great responses when I do them. So I definitely need to listen to my subscribers and understand what it is that they like to see from me. So I am coming back with a haul video. This one is a mini haul. It is not as large as my other ones, and it's only going to consist of 4 outfits, and it is from Pretty Little Things, and it is going to be a Valentine's Day edition type of haul. So I tried to do this video a little bit different, and because my filming area is very different and I'm still kind of like under construction, I'm just really missing a plant that I feel like would just add everything together. Like, this part just looks so empty to me, and I feel like a plant would just look great. So I'm waiting for that to come in. So in the meantime, I kind of like, with every makeup look that I did for my 4 makeup lookbooks for Valentine's Day, I basically paired a outfit with it from Pretty Little Things. So it's kind of like a Valentine's Day haul slash lookbook. If you guys like this type of video, then let me know how you feel down below in the comments section. And yeah, let's just get into the video because I feel like I'm gonna rant on. So the first item is the Fuchsia Jacquard long sleeve belt detailed blazer dress. This is in a size 10. I wanted it in a size 8, but I was sent the wrong sizes. I was trying to get them in US sizes, but it got sent to me in UK sizes, so they're a size too big for me. But this dress, I really love it. It's so cute, but because it was too big for me, instead of like belting it in the loop, I made the belt more of like a waist cincher, and I kind of like tied it to the side. And because these are buttons and I'm hippie and I have a bottom, you know, a little junky in the trunk, I unbuttoned like the bottom button and I shifted the dress a little bit over to the side and turned it into like a side split dress. So what you can do is just wear like little shorts under just in case, because you don't want, you know, your little hoo-ha out there. If you want to just secure, if you have bigger breasts, you won't worry about like, you know, your breasts or your nipples showing. But because I have smaller breasts, I would just put like a little bit of double-sided tape to make sure that I don't have any nip slips if I move some type of way. And with this, I would pair it with my pink strap-up heels, or you can really play with like the yellowish color that's in there, like that gold yellow, and wear like a goldish like yellow shoe with the bag and really play off of that color. So yeah, that was that. And as you guys can see, I paired it with like the eye makeup that I was wearing that day, just so you guys can get an idea of what type of eye makeup and jewelry and accessories I would wear with each and every outfit. So the next one is going to be the black mesh corset detail satin jumpsuit. This is also in a size 8. I'm gonna add all the prices of the pieces in the video. This is in a size 8. I wanted it in a size 6, but an 8 works. The only thing is that the 8 is too big for my boobs, so it just didn't sit right with my breasts, and I was a little annoyed about that, but it was still cute. But with this, I will also wear a tennis bracelet, a tennis necklace and bracelet, some rings, earrings that I have, the earrings that I had on in that video, and I will pair it with a pair of black pumps. Yeah, you could do black pumps, you could do clear pumps, you could do red pumps, you could do whatever it is that you want, but I paired it with my pink fur jacket that I got from Missguided. You can wear any type of fur, but you know, just add a little bit of color to the outfit because it is black. So I didn't want this whole lookbook to be like a Valentine's Day cliche with red, pink, white, like the same colors that you see all the time. But I did want to throw a pink in there, which was the pink blazer dress. That's the only pink you're gonna see in this video, okay? So the next one after that is the black Bordeaux detail, well, black Bordeaux belt detail shift dress. So this dress is like off the shoulder, really cute, off the shoulder with gold like detailing around the waist. It came in a size 10. I wanted it in a size 8 because it's a dress, I didn't want it to be too tight around, and it's zipped up on the side. I didn't want it to be too tight around my hips, but the size 10 is too big for me. Okay, it is too big, but I still made it work. So with this, again, a tennis necklace, like I said, it's just something that I love doing. I would pair this with my mesh heels that I got. I think those mesh heels is from, well, the Fishnet Heels is from Fashionnova. I forgot what they're called, but I'm going to try to leave the link down below in the description box. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I'll put my hair in a ponytail. I feel like a ponytail or a top bun would look really, really cute with this type of dress. Or if you have like a bob, I just feel like that would look really cute because it is off the shoulder, so you really want to show your shoulders off. Add a little body glow. I didn't do that in this video because that was just too much, but add a little body glow, your Fenty, your Huda, whatever, some baby oil with a little highlighter on your collarbones, and it would just look really, really nice. So the next one after that is the silver glitter long sleeve waist panel shirt dress. Now this dress I was really, really excited about because I thought it was going to look so cute. But like I said, I got it in a size 8 because buttons, once again, whenever there's a dress that has buttons from the top to bottom, I get a little size up because of my hips. However, it got sent to me in a size 10, so it was way too big for me. So I showed you guys how I would wear it. If I had no other choice but to wear it, how I would wear it, but I'll most likely give this away because I just cannot wear it. Yeah, I tried, but it's just like I really can't. So I just kind of basically like opened up the top buttons, wore it over the shoulders, still put the belt around, but you can see the belt is a little bit too big, and it's wearable if you want to wear it out like that. It's just something that I would not wear because when I go out, especially if I'm partying or date night, whatever, well, if I'm partying, I wouldn't wear it partying because I like to dance, and this is a little bit too short for me to dance. A date night, possibly, depending on where I want to go and the mood that I want to go for, but it's a little bit too short for a date night, so it was more so like a party dress now. Yeah, but I would pair this with like some nude, like clear heels, like the, you know, the clear heels that's all out now. I would pair that with that and a cute little, probably like a white bag or something. Really cute earrings, body glitter as always, and yeah, call that a day. So the next and last one is our leopard print double knot detail bodycon dress. Now this is in a size 8. This actually fit me really, really good, and I'm glad that I got this in an 8, but I could have went down a size and I still would have been fine. However, I'm glad that I got it in an 8 because it fits really good. It's just really, really nice. I like the way it looks. I like the way it fits me. I would pair this, I know I paired it with a pair of black pumps, but I would also pair it with a pair of like reddish pumps or burgundy pumps and do like a nice burgundy lip or a red lip, because I just feel like leopard and red just look so good together. Like, I don't know why leopard and red look so good together. I don't know if it's because, like, you know, leopards and blood go good together, but leopard and red just look so like sexy and fierce. So I would definitely wear like a red lip, a burgundy lip with like a red shoe or a burgundy shoe, and you know, just play off of that, make it into a whole shebang. Put on like a trench coat, a real nice trench coat, and call it a day, because you know in the winter time, I mean, it's cold and it's winter time in New York, so you would definitely need like a trench or something. But if you are in LA, you can go ahead and wear that out just how it is. Okay, honey, it gives a nice sex appeal, a little sexy but not too much. I just love it. I love this dress. It's really cute. I would definitely wear this out as well. For like the earrings, I had 2 earrings. The first one is this is the red crystal multi-shape small door knocker earrings. I paired this with the Bordeaux dress, the black one that was off the shoulders, and I like that. Like, that looks really, really cute. So if I was to go, because the belt had gold, I know I said I wear it with a tennis bracelet, I mean a tennis necklace, but because that belt had gold, I would wear more gold accessories to just play off of that. And this red just looks so pretty. Or I would wear these earrings, which is the gold diamante heart drop earrings. I will wear these earrings because it has gold accents as well, but it has like that silver to make it pop, because the belt also had like a little bit of, I think it had silver on it, but I doubt it. But yeah, I'll either wear this or that, but because it's gold, I would try to stick in with the gold, so I would wear this as well. But yeah, I hope you guys like this style of lookbooks, like haul type of things that I'm doing. I am going to try to figure out a better way to record my hauls. I have another one that is coming up next week, so I'm going to try to figure out a better way to do that haul or do that video so you guys can see the full body, because I have like a full length mirror now, which I've been dying for. Okay, but I'm going to just try to figure out a better way to record those videos so you guys can actually get like a clear view of how these outfits look. So yeah, if you guys like this type of style, then let me know down in the comment section below. If you like the way I used to do it before, which is kind of just like try on the clothes and call it a day, then I would do that as well. But yeah, just give me any type of suggestions on what type of like haul videos and stuff that you guys like, and which one you prefer and which one you like enjoy watching, and I will do that. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.